Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out of Moomoo. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the exact places to tap so you can safely sign out of your account on the Moomoo mobile app. Logging out is a good habit when you're switching devices, handing your phone to someone else, or simply wrapping up your session. I'll keep the instructions clear and simple, and I'll add helpful context so you know you're in the right place at every step. Start by opening the Moomoo app on your phone. Give it a second to load to the main screen. If your app looks a little different, don't worry. Layouts can vary slightly across updates and between iOS and Android, but the key items we'll use are in generally the same places. Make sure you're on a stable connection so screens load quickly. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left area of the app for the profile section. This is typically shown as a circular avatar, your initials, or a small person icon, and it may be labeled Profile or Me. If you're deep inside a chart, watch list, or order ticket, just back out to the main screen so the top navigation bar is visible. You'll know you found the right spot when you see the icon or label that represents your account area in that upper left corner. Tap the profile icon to open your account center. This screen usually collects everything tied to your account, such as personal details, security options, and app preferences. You don't need to change anything here. This is simply the hub where the sign-out control lives. Take a brief moment to confirm you're on the profile page by looking for familiar headings like account information or settings links. Now locate the logout option on this profile page. It's often near the bottom portion of the screen, labeled Logout or Sign Out. Tap it once. If the app asks you to confirm, go ahead and approve the action. That confirmation is just a safeguard to make sure you intended to leave your current session. After logging out, you'll be returned to the sign-in screen, indicating the process is complete. From here, you can close the app, switch accounts, or sign back in later when you're ready. As a quick reminder, logging out ends your session on this device only. For ongoing security, keep your device locked when not in use, and avoid leaving the app open if others might access your phone. That's it. Simple, quick, and secure. Thanks for following along as we logged out of Moomoo.